Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to a world where artificial intelligence meets robotics, two revolutionary forces that, together, are reshaping industries, economies, and even our daily lives. In this video, we'll explore how AI and robotics are merging into one powerful alliance, bringing forth innovations once thought to be science fiction. So buckle up, as we dive into AI meets robotics, a powerful duo shaping tomorrow, a journey into the technology that's driving the future. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is the ability of a machine to mimic human intelligence. But how exactly does that work? At its core, AI is built to analyze data, recognize patterns, make decisions based on logic, learning, or experience. There are three main types of AI. Narrow AI performs specific tasks like recognizing faces or recommending movies. This is the most common form of AI today. General AI, a more advanced form that can perform any intellectual task a human can. We're still working toward this. Super AI, a theoretical level where machines surpass human intelligence. It's the stuff of science fiction, for now. Within AI, there's machine learning, where systems improve through experience. And going even deeper, we have deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks to simulate how the human brain works. Now, let's talk about robotics. Robotics is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, and operation of physical machines that can perform tasks. Robots come in many shapes and forms. Industrial robots, used in factories to automate repetitive tasks. Service robots, like vacuum cleaners or robotic waiters. Humanoid robots, built to interact like humans. Exploration robots, like the ones used on Mars rovers or deep-sea probes. But here's the catch. Robots by themselves are just machines, they follow programmed instructions. When you bring AI into robotics, something magical happens. You give machines the ability to think, adapt, and act independently. This combination is what gives us drones that map disaster zones on their own, home assistants that can respond to your mood. In this duo, AI is the mind, it makes sense of the environment, plans actions, and learns from feedback. Robotics is the body, it senses the real world and interacts with it physically. Together, they create systems that are not just automated, but truly intelligent and autonomous. Now that we understand what AI and robotics are, let's see how their combination is already transforming the real world. So first of all, healthcare. In healthcare, precision can mean the difference between life and death, and that's where AI and robotics shine. Robotic surgery, AI-guided surgical robots like the Da Vinci surgical system assist doctors in performing delicate procedures with microscopic precision. Diagnostics, AI systems scan medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, detecting anomalies faster than the human eye. Elder care robots. In Japan and other aging societies, robots assist elderly patients with daily routines, medication reminders, and even social interaction. Secondly, manufacturing and logistics. The combination of AI and robotics is the heart of the fourth industrial revolution. Smart factories, robots powered by AI optimize production in real time, adjusting to demands, reducing waste, and improving quality. Collaborative robots, cobots. These robots work alongside human workers, assisting with lifting, sorting, or welding, without replacing the human touch. Logistics and warehousing. Companies like Amazon use fleets of mobile robots that navigate warehouses using AI algorithms to sort, pick, and deliver items faster than ever. Thirdly, transportation. Transportation is undergoing one of the most dramatic AI robotics transformations. Self-driving cars, autonomous vehicles use AI to interpret their environment through sensors, cameras, and LiDAR. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the charge. Delivery drones and robots. AI-powered drones deliver medicines, groceries, and even pizza. These autonomous systems are especially useful in rural or hard-to-reach areas. Smart traffic management. AI systems adjust traffic lights in real time, optimizing flow and reducing congestion in major cities. Fourthly, agriculture. Feeding the future will depend on smart farming, and AI robotics is making agriculture more precise and sustainable. Precision farming. Robots with AI can identify weeds, detect pests, and apply the exact amount of pesticide or water, only where it's needed. Crop monitoring drones. Flying drones monitor large areas of land, capturing data on plant health and soil conditions using AI image analysis. Autonomous tractors and harvesters. These machines plow, plant, and harvest crops with little or no human intervention. This not only boosts yields but also reduces environmental impact. Fifthly, military and defense. AI robotics also plays a critical, though controversial, role in military applications. Surveillance drones. Equipped with AI, these drones can identify threats, track movements, and relay intelligence in real time. Explosive disposal. Robots like Talon are used to safely defuse bombs or investigate hazardous zones without risking lives. AI command systems. Some military forces use AI to simulate battle strategies and assist commanders with real-time decision-making. Sixth one, everyday life and smart homes. AI and robotics are even entering our homes, making daily life more convenient. Personal assistants. Voice-activated AI like Alexa and Google Assistant are getting smarter, and are starting to be integrated into mobile home robots. Home robots. Devices like Roomba clean your floor, while newer robots can map your home, recognize voices, and even patrol for security. Assistive tech. For individuals with disabilities, robots can open doors, fetch objects, and enhance mobility with AI-driven exoskeletons. Now move on to the next topic, cutting-edge innovations in AI and robotics. First one, humanoid robots, once confined to sci-fi movies, are becoming reality. Sophia by Hanson Robotics is one of the world's most advanced social humanoid robots. She can recognize faces, hold conversations, and express emotions using AI-powered facial motors. Atlas by Boston Dynamics shows how robots can mimic human movement, jump, run, and even dance with astonishing balance and control. These robots are designed not just for utility, but for human interaction, raising questions about relationships between people and machines. Next one, AI chatbot and robotic fusion. By combining conversational AI like ChatGPT or Google's Lambda with physical robots, we create systems that can not only act but understand and respond to us. AI receptionists that greet you at hotels or malls. Educational robots that help children learn through interactive dialogue. Therapy bots offering companionship and emotional support. These AI robot hybrids are turning passive machines into interactive beings capable of building real relationships. Next, space exploration robots. Space, the final frontier, is being explored with the help of robotic intelligence. NASA's Perseverance rover, exploring Mars, uses AI to navigate terrain and identify rock samples. Robotic arms on space stations repair satellites and handle cargo with precision. AI-driven drones are being tested for use on planets with different atmospheres and gravity. These innovations reduce human risk and expand our reach into deep space, making interplanetary missions more feasible. Further, brain-machine interfaces. What if humans could control robots with their thoughts? That's the goal of brain-machine interfaces, BMIs. Companies like Neuralink are developing implants that allow the brain to communicate directly with AI systems. These interfaces are being used in robotic prosthetics, allowing amputees to move artificial limbs using brain signals. In the future, they may enable humans to control exoskeletons, interact with digital environments, or even communicate telepathically via AI. This is not just robotics, it's human augmentation. Move on to self-learning and evolving robots. Traditionally, robots had to be programmed for every action. But now, self-learning robots are changing that. Using reinforcement learning, robots can now teach themselves to walk, grasp objects, or navigate rooms, just like babies learning to move. Some can even evolve physically using modular parts to adapt to different environments. These robots don't just execute, they learn, adapt, and evolve over time. Next is swarm and soft robotics. Swarm robotics. Inspired by ants or bees, hundreds of tiny robots work together to perform complex tasks, like search and rescue missions or cleaning oceans. Soft robotics. These flexible robots are made of soft materials, mimicking muscles and skin. They're ideal for handling delicate items or navigating environments too dangerous or tight for traditional machines. As we've just seen, we're no longer talking about machines that do what we tell them. We're now building systems that think, feel, move, and grow alongside us. In the next part, we'll explore how these innovations are impacting the world at large, and the ethical responsibilities we must face. Economic impact. The double-edged sword. AI and robotics are creating tremendous economic opportunities, boosting productivity, lowering operational costs, creating entirely new industries. According to studies, AI and automation could contribute trillions of dollars to global GDP by 2030. Routine and manual jobs are at risk of being automated. Factory workers, drivers, and even some white-collar jobs are already seeing disruption. Upskilling the workforce, teaching digital and creative skills, creating new human-robot collaborative roles. With great intelligence comes serious ethical concerns and human rights. Here are just a few. Privacy invasion. Facial recognition systems and AI surveillance raise questions about consent and civil liberties. Bias in AI. AI can inherit human biases if trained on flawed data, leading to unfair treatment in hiring, law enforcement, or lending. Autonomous weapons. Military robots and AI-controlled drones could make life or death decisions without human input. That's why organizations like the UN and EU are pushing for global ethical frameworks to ensure AI respects human rights. Human-robot relationships. As robots become more human-like, a new question arises. In Japan, companion robots provide emotional support to the elderly. In classrooms, AI-powered tutors help children learn and socialize. Some users even report feeling affection or trust toward their robotic assistants. This raises profound questions. Should robots simulate emotions they don't actually feel? Can emotional dependence on machines hurt human relationships? We must navigate these questions with empathy, regulation, and transparency. Accountability and transparency. When a robot or AI system makes a mistake, who's responsible? Is it the developer? The company? The user? These are real legal challenges today. For example, if a self-driving car causes an accident, who's liable? If an AI system denies someone a loan, can they appeal? Transparency and accountability are essential if AI is to be trusted and fair. Global inequality and access. Countries without access to advanced AI and robotics could struggle to compete economically, fall behind in healthcare and education, face social unrest due to growing inequality. The global AI revolution must be inclusive, with open-source tools, fair trade, and international collaboration. Lastly, building a responsible future. So how do we ensure this powerful duo uplifts humanity rather than divides it? Key principles include ethical design, global governance, inclusive education, diversity in development teams, and most importantly, putting human values at the heart of every algorithm and every robot. Lastly, explore, future ahead and conclusion. The vision of tomorrow. Imagine a world where AI-driven robots manage sustainable farms, ending hunger. Autonomous vehicles eliminate road accidents. Robots assist teachers in every classroom, making education truly universal. Doctors partner with AI, curing diseases faster and more accurately. Elderly and disabled people live fuller lives, supported by empathetic machines. And perhaps one day, humans and AI explore distant galaxies together. These are visions being built today, in labs, startups, and innovation hubs around the globe. Next, the human element. But as powerful as these technologies are, they're not the stars of the future. We are. Our values, choices, and actions will determine the path forward. Will we use AI to divide or to unite? Will we design robots to replace humanity, or to uplift it? Will we build with fear, or with wisdom? The true promise of AI and robotics lies in collaboration and competition. Between nations sharing breakthroughs, between industries reimagining possibilities, it's between humans and machines, co-creating solutions. The challenges ahead, climate change, aging populations, inequality, are too big to solve alone, but with AI and robotics as partners, the impossible becomes achievable. Embracing the unknown. The future of this field is full of unknowns. We may witness artificial general intelligence, AI with human-level cognition, and fully sentient machines, capable of forming relationships. Mind-machine symbiosis, where humans and AI literally think together. In final words, a call to imagination and responsibility. The story of AI and robotics is still being written, and every one of us has a role to play as creators, as educators, as citizens, as dreamers. Let's choose a future where technology serves humanity, where machines expand what's possible, without replacing what's precious, where progress is powered by purpose. Thank you for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates on AI and technology.